Let me start the cinema, sir. Java 8 new features. Java 8 new features. Okay, let me talk about this one. Java 8 new features, right? Sir, do you know this Java 8 version came in the 2014. So this is the 2008, right? 18, right? 2014, March 18th. 2014, March 18th, this is Java 8 came in the picture. Do you know what is the current version of Java? Current, the most recent release. Anyone? Anyone? Can you please tell what is the current version of Java? Java 10. Java 10. Already Java 10 came, sir. Already Java 10 came. Okay? But very unfortunate. After Java 10, now we are talking about Java 8. Okay? Of course, it's unfortunate, but you should aware other side of the coin. Java 8 is that much important. Regarding Java 8 itself is that much important. The people are not still migrated to Java 9 and Java 10, but slowly now the people are migrating to Java 8. Java 8 because in other dependent technologies like Spring everywhere now start using this Java 8 new features, right? That's why now there's a big demand came, big boom came for Java 8 new features. Sir. Remember that, sir. Okay. Sir, earlier the people are not give that much importance. Maybe after 3 or 4 years, the people may talk about Java 9. Java 9. Next, after another 1 or 2 years, the people may talk about Java 10. Okay, but anyway, this is the time for Java 8 new features. Okay, remember, because beautiful features are there, it is going to change the life of Java like anything, sir. Yes. So now, what the new features came? What the new features came? What is the main priorities for this Java 8? Just you people should aware clearly. So do you know? Have you ever heard about Python? Python? Yes, ma'am. Python, R language. Have you ever heard about these languages? Scala. Can you please, anyone heard about these things? Python, R language, and then Scala. These are various programming languages, right? Do you know, sir, when Java was number one technology, number one programming language, but suddenly what happened is almost around 2012, 13, 2012, 13 around, slowly other languages are going to occupy that place. The Java popularity slowly was going down at that time around 2013, 2012 like that. Because the reason for that is in these languages, if we are going to write just 10 lines of the code, 10 lines of the code, okay, we may require to write 100 lines of the code in Java. 100 lines of the code in Java. Sir, Java, a big code we have to write, but the same thing just in Python, we can able to write with very less code. With very less code, we can able to do all the required activities, right? Sir, you may heard about this line, this statement. Array in Python, very less code we have to write, but in Java, very huge code we have to write. Have you ever heard about this one? Can you please confirm? Have you ever heard about this line anytime? Yes, sir, I heard. Okay, Python is a very less number of lines of the code. Very less code we have to write when compared with the Java. Have you ever heard? Yes. So do you know slowly the people are moving. Slowly the people are moving to other languages. Especially Python is giving left and right like anything to Java. Then Java people analyze it. Array, what features we are lacking when compared with other languages? If we are not going to correct, one fine day, total will fade out. Total Java is fade out from the market. That's why compulsory we require to do some changes, sir, to meet that concise code. So for that, keep that point in their mind. Java 8 new features came in the picture. Java 8, all the new features are going to majority talks about concise code. Regarding concise code is nothing but very less code. Very less code we require to do many things. Very less code, we require to do many things. Is concise code is the biggest advantage of Java 8, right? Sir, how they did? How they did? They did this conciseness. How they got, sir? Very simple. Very simple, sir. Just because of enabling. Just because of enabling functional programming. Regarding actually Java is not a functional programming language. Just Java is a object-oriented programming language, right? Just for enabling functional programming. By enabling functional programming in Java, yes, we can able to do this conciseness. We can able to get conciseness. So up to Java 7, Java people are having very great egos. Hey, we are object-oriented programming language. We never going to talk about functions. We never going to talk about procedural programming. Like they have full ego. But sir, because of functional programming, there are several advantages are there. We can write very less code to do multiple things. Regarding such a type of facility was not there in Java. Then automatically Java people thought, array, if we stick to this bloody object-oriented programming, we may miss a number of features. Then automatically the other languages may dominate. Okay, now please keep this ego, object-oriented ego sometime. Sometimes just keep, and better to enable functional programming in Java. Okay, if you can write the functional programming in Java, if you support, then in Java also very less code we can able to do that. That clarity the people got, man. That clarity the people got. That's why what they did is Java 8 new features came in the picture, sir, by concentrating enabling functional programming to get the concise code benefit. They did right. Okay, sir, how they did? They introduced the most powerful concept, Lambda expressions. Regarding the most powerful concept, Lambda expressions. So because of these lambdas, our life by default will become very easy, I'm sure, sir. Okay, like Lambda expressions. This is the concept came. Sir, what is the main purpose of Lambda expression? To enable functional programming in Java. Okay, this sir, Lambda expressions came in the picture. Sir, how you can able to write, how you can able to use, and so on. Just within a matter of a few examples I will discuss for you people, right? Sir, suppose my requirement is, just listen very carefully about this one, sir. My requirement is, can you please write a function? Can you please write a function which can take, function means method, which can take one into value as the argument and the return square value. Can you please observe that? Write a function which can take into value as the argument and the return sum and the return square. Can you please write a method for that? Yes, ma'am. Input is always into value. Next, the return type is always a square of that into value. What is the how you can able to write the code? Observe carefully, sir. Public static void. What the method we require to take? Square it int n I'm taking. Now I have to return n into n. Perfectly, it's going to work, sir. Now I'm taking the square of 4 is the square of 4. The square of 4 is plus. So just I'm trying to take square root of 4. Just I'm trying to take square root of 4, sir. Okay, like this I'm taking. Similarly, the square of 5 is square root of 5. Let me save this code, sir. Let me save this code. Let me save this code inside Durga classes. Now I'm taking tester.java. Durga classes tester.java. Okay, like that. Now Java C tester.java. Happily the code is going to be compiled. No, because the reason is here void we have to change. Yes, here just observe, happily the code is going to be compiled, no problem at all. Yes, now if I can take like this, yes, regarding the square of 4 is 16, the square of 5 is 25. Sir, any explanation is required about this one? Can you please confirm? Any explanation is required about this code? Everyone can aware what there. Just I'm providing int value, man. Now this function, this method is going to return. Now this function is going to return n into n. That's our square value, right? Okay, like. Can you please confirm total how many lines of the code is there? Please confirm how many lines of the code is there here. Ayo, respond, man. How many lines of the code is there? Yes. How many lines of the code is there? Only 12 lines of the code. Respond. Based on your response only, I can able to continue. Don't be silent. Good. Sir, total 12 lines of the code is there. Sir, this is normal way of writing the code. Before 8 up to 7, how the people are going to write the code like this. Now, if you can show this code to me, then my personal feeling is, array, why you are writing like this? Regarding why you are writing like this? We are not required to do. We are not required to do like this. Sir, you are going to provide one int value. You are going to provide one int value. You have to return square value. You require to return square value. That's all. What I can do, I don't want to do like this. Just let me remove that function, sir. Just only one line function. Sir, which value I have to provide? One integer object I'm providing. Listen a bit very carefully, sir. One integer object I'm providing. Sir, which value you are going to provide as the output? Integer. F is equal to. If you can give I value, I into I. Regarding if you can give I value, you have to get I into I. That's all. So why separate method is required? Write one function. Write a function. Now here just observe f dot apply. Apply these functions for input 4. Apply these functions for input 5. Regarding very simple. What the need of writing that bloody code? Regarding just public static, why it square it and so on. Not required. Just only one line is enough. Only one line is enough, sir. Just f dot apply of 4, f dot apply of 5. Okay, perfectly the same answer you may get. Sir, instead of just 4 and 5, I'm taking 40, 50. Otherwise, you people may feel sorry showing old output only. Now, observe carefully, sir. The code compiles fine. Same thing only. The code compiles fine. So here just what I'm using. Can you please observe what I'm using? One special word I'm using. What is the special word? Can you please tell what is the special word I'm using? Function. Where this function is available, sir? Import java dot util dot function package. Function dot start. Okay. Now have a look once. Perfectly it's valid. What is the output by default we are going to get? The square of 40 is 1600. The square of 50 is 2500. Why? We have to write separate method, man. Wherever the code is required, there only we can write a function. Regarding concise code by default we are going to get, but don't ask, sir, what is this function? How you are writing? What is the meaning of this one? All these things we are going to discuss in detail. We are going to discuss. Don't worry. Okay, that's all. This is about, so what is the function like this, right? Now my requirement is I want to check whether the given number is the even number or not. I want to check whether the given number is the even number or not. I want to check that. Whether the given number is the even number or not. So what I can take is, we are not required to write this much big code to check whether it is the even number or not. Just let me write predicate. It's always going to take integer as the argument, sir. P is equal to, if you can give I, what condition you have to check, sir? I %2 is equal to 0 or not. I %2. If you can give into value, what condition I'm going to check, sir? Is it even or not? Now P dot test of 4, sir. What the answer? Please confirm. What the answer we are going to get now? Sir, I can able to check. I can able to test whether this 4 is even or not. But the answer we are going to get true or false. Wait, 4 is the even or not? 4 is the even or not? Yes, this one is the even. That's why the output we are going to get true as the answer. Have a look once. The code compiles fine. The answer by default we are going to get true itself is the answer, sir. Same way, if I can take p dot test of 5, if I can take Now it is going to provide false as the answer. It's going to provide false as the answer. So means that because of functional programming, even in Java also, we can write lesser code, concise code like this, right? It is a lambda function. A function we can handle just like object to enable this type of functional programming. Okay, Java 8, yes, a new features came in the picture. So the main objective of Java 8 is to enable functional programming in Java, so that just like other languages, we can able to write very less code to do more things. Easiness by default will come, conciseness by default we are going to get. So whatever functional programming benefits are there, now you can enjoy those benefits even in Java also because of this lambda expressions concept. Everyone can aware? Now are you getting some basic idea? Yes, there are some new syntaxes came. Because of that new syntaxes, we are going to get some benefit. That word, if you are going to fail, yes, that thing is more enough. Clear, right? Everyone can able to understand? Sir, what is the main objective of Java 8 new feature? There are several features came, sir. There are several features came, but what is the main objective of this Java 8? Very simple, sir. So the biggest advantage is we can write concise code. We are not required to write big code. Okay? So now total what features are there in Java 8? What features are there in Java 8? Very simple, sir. Okay? Now the first topic I have to talk about lambda expressions. Regarding first topic, we have to talk about lambda expressions. Under then functional interface. Very important concept, sir. And then functional interface. And after that, default methods. Regarding after that, default methods. The fourth one we have to talk about, sir, of course, here default methods and static methods also. Default methods and static methods. Next, the fourth one we have to talk about predefined functional interfaces. Predefined functional interfaces. So something like a predicate, something like a function. Just now I used right, predicate, function, consumer, and then supplier, like consumer, supplier, next etc. There are several predefined functional interfaces are there. Those things we require to discuss. Next, after that functions concept. After that functions concept, we have to touch up. So predefined functional interfaces and then functions concept we require to discuss. Sir, once a functions concept completed, we have to this is already functions here we are going to discuss, not required to talk separately, right? So next one we require to talk about double colon operator. Regarding double colon operator, right? Sir, we have, sir, very concise code, very excellent feature, whatever we have, sir, double colon. But in C++ also, I hope it is there. But it was meant for scope resolution operator in C++, but not here. Here, concise, sir, double colon operator, sir, we can use for method reference purpose. We can use for method reference purpose. Next and after that, we can use for constructor reference purpose. Sir, what it means we are going to discuss. Don't worry, sir. Sir, after completing this one, we have to talk about streams concept. Streams concept. And then we have to talk about date and time API. Date and time API. Next, sir, option class, optional class. Next, sir, Notion, okay, Notion, JavaScript engine. What is the meaning of this one? We are going to discuss. 1 minute. What is the spelling? No, Norshan. What is the spelling for Notion? Yes. Here, can you please observe? Nashorn. Nashorn. Okay? Notion. One minute. JavaScript engine in Java 8. The most valuable concepts are Nashorn. Are you getting? Nashorn is the JavaScript engine developed by Java programming language. Of course, what is the need and so on. Okay, we are going to discuss Nashorn. Like there are multiple new features we are going to discuss. Don't worry about that. I hope everyone can able to understand what is the agenda for Java 8 new features. All these things we require to discuss. But to understand these things, basic idea in Java must be required. Remember that compulsory you people should have what is interface, what is class, what is object, next what is the collection, what is the array list, like a basic idea in Java must be required. If you are completely new to the Java, first time if you are learning Java word from me, then don't attend these sessions. This is already the people who completed Java, who are having basic idea in Java, for them it is applicable. Okay, like that's all. This is the agenda, sir, related to our Java 8 new features. Now let me talk about Lambda expressions. The first topic, sir. Lambda expressions. Do you know somewhere in your college days, in your school days, maybe somewhere you may heard about this symbol. Have you remembered this symbol? Somewhere we used already this symbol, maybe in your mathematics, lambda calculus, lambda x plus x is equal to 1, something like lambda x plus x is equal to 1, something like we may heard. This is nothing but lambda calculus, right? So you know, lambda calculus is the biggest change in the mathematics world, man. In the mathematics, once a lambda calculus came, it solved several difficult problems in easiest way. This was happened in 1939. In 1930, remember this one. In 1930, this lambda calculus came in the mathematics world. There's a big change. Several benefits the mathematics people enjoyed with this lambda calculus. Right? Slowly, the programmers start using, why don't you use these lambdas in our programming, so that our life will become very easy. Like slowly, because of benefits of these lambda expressions, slowly the programmers start using lambda expressions in normal coding also. I mean normal programming also. The people started using slowly, sir. The first programming language which uses lambda expressions is Lisp. Remember this one. But the first programming language which uses lambda expressions is Lisp. Lisp was the first programming language, right? So now I have one small doubt, sir. If any person is asking, can you please tell your Java biggest specialty? What is the specialty of Java? Can I tell, Java is, do you know, lambda expressions concept is there? It is a very helpful concept. Lambda expressions concept is there. It's a very helpful concept. Okay, like that, the biggest specialty of Java. Are you going to tell like that? Are you going to highlight lambda expressions is the biggest specialty of Java? If you are going to tell to other language people, the other language people may see from top to bottom. Because this lambda expression came in Java very lately. In all other languages, already this lambda expressions was there. Python already contained. Lisp already contained. C language already contained. C++ already contained. Next, Ruby already contained. Scala already contained. Okay. Finally, in Java also. Are you getting? So this is not a Java specific brand new feature. Remember that, sir. It is already available in other languages. Okay, our Java is slowly going down day to day. To prevent that, some other languages which concepts are there, but also the Java people implemented those concepts. One such concept which came as a part of Java is the lambda expressions, right? Remember that. Are you getting? So don't fear, oh, Lambda expression is the Java's very specific Java's specialty, man. Like don't tell anywhere because it's already there in other languages also, including JavaScript, Ruby, Python, C, C++, C Sharp.net, everywhere it is there. But unfortunately, it came very lately in Java. Because why it came very lately? Because Java people never give that much importance for functional programming. Okay, oh, we are object oriented programmers, right? That's why slowly, so they changed their mindset. If we stick to only object oriented feature, then we may lose. So our market may down. That's why they slowly convinced that, and they are trying to use functional programming also. Yeah, the part of that is Lambda expressions scheme. The basic introduction. Are you able to understand? Can you please confirm so that I will go for next level? Up to this, any doubt? Array? Up to this, any doubt? Can I go to the next level? As a bit theoretical thing, whatever I covered, sir. Lambda expressions already there in other languages, even in Java also. But definitely, sir, because of Lambda expression, our life will become very easy. Up to that, we can able to use the word. Okay. Now, the next point, what I'm trying to take, sir. Now, the next point, what I'm trying to take here is, sir, what is Lambda expression? What the Lambda expression, right? Sir, what is the main objective of Lambda expression? Can I use the word? Can I use the word? The main objective of Lambda expression. What the main objective of Lambda expression is, sir, very simple, to bring benefits of functional programming into Java. Observe, to bring benefits of functional programming. Benefits of functional programming into Java. So to bring the benefits of functional programming into Java, Lambda expressions concept came, sir. Okay, how you can use the function, how you can able to, sir, enjoy the benefit. What about concise code? All those things will come in the next level. That's all. This is the basic introduction. What is Lambda expression, right? So now my question is, can you please define what is Lambda expression? Regarding the basic introduction, okay, well, what is the Lambda expression? Anyone, can you please confirm? Sir, this is called Lambda expression. What the meaning? What the Lambda expression? Please confirm. What the Lambda expression? Very simple. Sir, it is anonymous function. Regarding, it's a very simple, sir. It is anonymous function. What is the meaning of anonymous? Anyone, can you please tell? What the meaning of anonymous? Anonymous means what? Hey, respond, man. Why you are thinking? Anonymous. No name. Nameless. Regarding, anonymous means what? Nameless. Not Warfaf. Warfaf is nothing but anonymous itself is that is what different alias. But here nameless. Anonymous means what? Nameless. No name. That thing is itself is nothing but anonymous function. So do you know, sir, how you can able to write anonymous functions? Very simple. Any function without name, without return type, without return type, nameless, sir, without name, without return type. Next, without modifiers, Just observe that, without name, without return type, without modifiers. If you are writing such type of function, then it is by default considered as anonymous function. Very simple, sir. Very simple terminology. My anonymous function not having the name, not having the return type, not having the modifiers information. If you have such a type of terminology, then we can use the word it is anonymous function. Any doubt? Sir, theory okay. Where is the example? Where is the code? Like you may ask a simple terminology. I will explain multiple examples so that you can able to understand, you can able to get much clearly. Right? Sir, can you please confirm? Writing Lambda expressions, is it easy or is it difficult? What about your personal feeling? Can you please confirm? What about your feelings, sir? Sir, lambda expressions. I heard somewhere. It's a bit difficult concept. We can't understand that much easily. Or it's a very easy concept. Or it's easy, sir. Like, what about your feeling? Respond, man. Ayyo. No response. Are you feeling difficult or easy or average complexity? Yes, what's your feeling? I don't know. So almost huge number of students are there, but why your response is very slowly? You have to respond. Then I can able to continue. I can able to see each and every person name here in my dashboard. I can able to see each and every person name, but very few members are responding. What about remaining? Yes, Sheshidhar Reddy, a bit confusion. Mukesh, no difficulty. Others, easy and handy. Easy, difficult. Okay, like, sir, my answer is lambda expressions are very, 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 very very easy or difficult? Very easy concept. Regarding even small nursery level concept is the lambda expressions. Don't worry, sir. But some people may feel, oh, it's a very difficult concept like that. No. It is the very easiest concept. Very easy concept, sir. Very easy concept, lambda expressions. Okay. So the reason is you may not learn properly. That's why the people who are feeling difficulty means, yes, I don't know about lambda expressions. I didn't learn properly. Okay, just that's why I'm getting the feeling like nothing. Yes, I'm here, don't fear. Okay, automatically the complexities, the difficulties, all the things by default will be resolved. I'm sure, sir, I'm giving the word for you. Now, first you should aware how to write the lambda expression. How you can use in our application. That thing is our next level. Don't think how to use. First concentrate how to write the lambda expression. This is about my requirement, right? Very simple, sir. I want to write a method to print hello. Can you please tell what is the Java code I have to write? Can you please confirm what is the Java code I have to write to print just a hello method, sir? I want to write a method. That method is the responsible to print a hello. How you can public void m1 method I'm taking, and system dot out dot println of hello. System dot out dot println of hello. Like this I'm taking, sir. Now my point is public void m1 SOP of hello. Like this I'm taking. Can you please confirm if this method everyone can able to understand, or in this method also some doubt is there? Can you please, everyone, any explanation is required about this method? Oi, respond, so that I will convert into sir lambda expression, so that you people can feel more comfortable. Any doubt about this one? Nothing is there. From our childhood onwards we are seeing thousands of times, lakhs of times this type of methods, right? Now I want to convert into lambda expression. Legend this one. Legend this. I want to convert into lambda expression. Just now I told one important point. Lambda expression is a anonymous function. Sir, no name, no return type, no modifiers. No name, no return type, no modifiers. Regarding no name, no return type, no modifiers, sir. That is nothing but lambda expression. Okay, what I will do is, let me convert this bloody method into lambda expression. Legend. No name. Here observe. No name, you can remove this one. No return type, you can remove this one. No modifiers, you can remove this one. Regarding just now I told, my lambda expression not having any method name, not having any return type, not having any modifiers information. Happily you can able to remove, sir. Yes, I want to remove name. I want to remove, sir, return type. I want to remove, sir, modifiers concept. Wow, excellent. What is the remaining is this one only. But I want to tell it is the lambda expression. Sir, how you can convey it is the lambda expression? One special symbol we have to use to tell that it is the lambda expression. What is that special symbol? Anyone, can you please confirm? Some special symbol must be required, boss. It is the lambda expression. What special symbol? Anyone, can you please guess? Good, Prakash. Excellent. Rashekar Reddy, good. Anyone, can you please tell? This is the special symbol we require to use. What that special symbol? Very simple, sir. What that special symbol is? Arrow symbol. Are you getting? If I use lambda expression means arrow symbol. By using this, we can represent, sir. Yes, what I will take here is just the right arrow, and then okay, sir, here just I'm taking like this, right? That's all. Lambda expression completed for this method. Are you getting what I did, man? What I did, just I removed the method name, I removed the return type, I removed the modifier, in the middle arrow symbol I did. That's all. Arrow symbol I did. That's it. Now, how to write lambda expression? Sir, is it difficult or easy? Can you please? Are you feeling any difficult to understand this one? Just you remove method name, return type, and modifier. That's all. In the middle, just you use the arrow symbol. That's all. Lambda expression is ready, sir. Now, one small thing you can evade. Here, this is the body of lambda expression. This is the body of lambda expression. The body contain how many lines? Can you please confirm? The body contain how many lines? Can you please tell how many lines are there? Only one line. The body contain only one line. Only one line. Then what you can do is, sir, if body contain only one line, curly braces are optional. If you want, you can remove curly braces. When the curly braces are required, if you are going to write multiple lines, but only one line, that's why let me remove that curly braces. If I remove the curly braces, okay, gone like this. That's all, man. This is the equivalent lambda expression. Why you have to write public, void, M1, curly brace open, SOP of hello, like instead of that, just only one line itself is the lambda expression. Any doubt? Any doubt? But don't ask me how to call. Don't ask me how to call, how to use. First, you should familiar how to write the lambda expression. That's what. Are you feeling comfortable up to this? Yes, how you can call without calling out? What is the use of writing others? We can call. Don't worry. We will discuss that part in detail next. First, up to this. Yes, it's a very clear. Still, if you are having any doubt, you can. Others, we can call this one, but wait for some more time. First, we have to familiar how to write. Next, Prakash, optional, but more than one line. If multiple lines are there in our body, compulsory we should use curly braces. Remember that curly braces are optional. If multiple lines are there, then curly braces are mandatory. Clear, right? Next up, why I remove curly braces is how many lines of the code is there? How many lines of the code is there? Only one line. That's why I remove curly braces. If multiple lines are there, then curly braces are mandatory. Still any doubts on this lambda expression? Please let me know. I will explain. Everyone feel comfortable? Hey. Respond. You should be a bit active, man. Then I can able to continue very easily. Yes, good. Now let me go for example 2. Up to this one example, sir. Now everyone's got some basic idea. What is my next example, sir? I want to take a method public void m1 method. This method can take 2 int values as the argument. How many values? How many values, right? 2 int values as the argument. 2 int values as the argument. and print the sum, and print the sum. Okay, here a plus b, or otherwise just a simple a plus b. Why I have to write big concise big code? Okay, that's all. This is about my method, right? Can you please convert into lambda expression? Whatever knowledge you have, can you please convert into that? I want to see answer in the chat window, sir, from every person. Can you please write lambda expression for this? I'm waiting for your answer. Just write and copy paste in the chat window. Yes, friends. Mukesh, good. At least you tried. It may be correct or not, forget about that. At least you tried. Rahul, good. Rashekar Reddy, good. What about remaining people? I'm seeing the response only from 3. So just try to respond. It may be wrong or it may be right. Believe me, I never going to blame any person who is telling wrong answer. Yeah. Yes. Good, Adarsh. Yeah. There are some people who are telling correct answer, some people who are telling very concise. Okay, too much. No. Collins, take a bit special care while explaining. Next. Yeah. Okay, now just yeah, legend. All the people, can you please respond well? All the people, can you please observe carefully? Yes. What is the? I want to write lambda expression for this. Sir, first activity, you know already. My lambda expression not having the name, not having return type, not having modifiers. Okay, just the one special symbol. Okay, like this one special symbol, SOP statement. That's all. Like now, my next point here is only one line is there. That's why I can remove curly braces also. Any doubt up to this? Any doubt up to this? Yes, friends. Any doubt? Almost all the people are getting this one. Up to this, no doubt at all. Next here, how many parameters are there? Can you please tell? How many parameters are there? 2 parameters. What is the name of the first parameter? A. What is the type of this parameter? Int. Here B. What is the types are? Int. So A and B are parameter names and the int is the parameter type. Sometimes compiler can guess the type automatically. Compiler can guess the type automatically. Compiler can guess the type automatically. We are not required to specify the type explicitly. Then you can remove the types, right? Are you getting? Based on the context, compiler can guess the type automatically. In that particular case, sir, we are not required to specify the type explicitly. Okay, like so. How you can specify? How you can, sir? How the compiler can able to guess? You may have the bigger doubt. You may have the bigger doubts, sir. Yes, that part we are going to discuss. Once first executable code is ready, then you can able to get much clearly, right? Okay. Now the point here is take. So if the compiler can able to guess the types automatically, you can able to remove the type. That's all, sir. Sir, immediately you may have the doubt. Sir, how the compiler can able to guess the type automatically? Yes. Here, even if I'm going to explain, you may not understand this one. You may not understand this code, sir. Okay, remember. So once the first example is going to come, There I will explain very clearly how the compiler can able to guess the type. Everyone can aware? Can you please confirm? Are you in a position to understand this code, right? This is the Lambda expressions. So this much code, Java 7 code, replaced with only one line itself is like this, right? So what is the next thing we have to discuss? What is the next? One more example. I'm ready to take, sir. Here, listen a bit very carefully, sir. Very careful. What I'm taking? Public int square it method is there. Square it method is there. Int n, sir. Int n I'm taking. What I have to return n into n. Regarding first, can you please find the square of given into value, return square of given into value, then automatically the method name square it like this side itself. How you can write the Lambda expressions? Okay, make sure, sir. Very important. Sir, up to this, I removed the method name, return type, modifiers. Next, I added one extra symbol, arrow symbol. If the body contains only one line, just the curly braces are optional. If the compiler can able to guess the type automatically, then we can remove the types also. Up to that we covered while writing Lambda expressions. Okay, type is optional, curly braces are optional. Okay, like. So now, how you can write the Lambda expression for this method? Can you please convert this method into Lambda expression? Like this, right? Sir, very simple. Very simple, sir. Let me remove the method name. Let me remove the return type. Let me remove the public. Like now, let me add the arrow symbol. Okay. Let me add the arrow symbol. Next, remaining code we can able to take. Clear up to this? Any doubt? Rahul, I didn't get you. Can you please tell? If you don't take parameter, so it can square string like Python? No. It is a complete different concept. Yeah. So next, up to this is the clear? Okay, well. Now still we can able to, sir, do body contain how many lines of the code? Body contain how many lines of the code? Can you please tell body contain how many lines of the code? Okay, only one line. Can I remove the curly braces or not? Yes. Okay, I can remove the curly braces. Okay, I'm removing the curly braces. But make sure without the curly braces, if you want to return something without the curly braces, if you want to return something, then automatically you are not required to specify return. Yes, that's all. N into n. Compiler can able to guess you are going to return n into n. That's all. We are not required to use return keyword explicitly without curly braces. Remember that, sir. But within curly braces, compulsory we should use return, sir. Return. Make sure. Don't get confused. If you want to use a return keyword can be used only in curly braces. Without curly braces, just to specify the value. Automatically it will be considered as return type. Automatically it's going to consider as sir return type. That's all. This is the first thing, sir. Next, if the compiler can guess the type automatically, I can remove the type also. I can remove the type also, sir. Now, let me remove the type. Yes, that's all. Now, how many parameters are available? Input parameters are how many? I will respond. How many parameters are available? Input parameters? Only one input parameter. If only one parameter is available, then automatically we are not required to use a parenthesis. Parentheses are optional. Now let me remove that parenthesis. What? Wonderful, sir. This total method converted into a small expression, which is nothing but lambda expression. N gives n into n. Return statement is not required. Parentheses are not required. Return statement is not required. Parentheses is not required. Next and after that, do you know, type we are not required to specify. Curly braces we are not required to specify. Everything is optional, sir. Okay, like you can able to specify like that. But how you can, sir, type will be considered. That part while covering example we will discuss in detail. Any doubt? Any doubt? Yes, Kalin's mic, you are asking some doubt. Yeah, we will discuss. Sir, clear, right? If we are returning but not giving return type, why? Because my compiler can able to guess automatically this is the returned value. Automatically it is the returned value. By default, it's going to consider that. Someone is asking, Pankaj Kumar, getting the thing right? Yes, in which context compiler can guess the type automatically? Yes, once I will explain with an example, then you can get much clarity. Just wait for a few more minutes. Any doubt, friends? Is it very easy or difficult to write lambda expressions? Nothing there. What there? How you can able to write lambda expression? Very, very easy, sir. Remove the name, remove the return type, and remove the modifiers, remove the curly braces, remove the type, everything. If you remove, just in the middle, add one arrow symbol, then our life will become very easy. Okay? Like, sir, assume one more example. I want to give one string. I want to give one string, sir. You have to find the length of the string. You have to find the length of the string. What is the length of this string, sir? Public void m1 method. If I can give string yes, return yes dot length. Boss, can you please return yes dot length? Can you please confirm what is the lambda expression for this? Yeah, excellent. Anyone, can you please tell? Now you should not tell wrong answer because all possibilities already we covered. All possibilities we covered already. Anyone, can you please tell what is the lambda expression for this? You respond, man. The last, final, most concise lambda expression I'm expecting. The most concise lambda expression I'm expecting. Who is telling? Rahul. Method name we should not write. Already I told it is the anonymous. The most concise lambda expression I'm expecting. So very simple, sir. Very simple. Here, just step number 1. Method name, return type, modifiers gone. Next, arrow symbol. Okay, like arrow symbol I wrote. Only one line, curly braces gone. Without curly braces, return we are not required to use. Next, here type, compiler can guess the type automatically. Next and after that, if only one parameter is there, parentheses are optional. If only one parameter is there, parentheses are optional. That's all. This is above what is the code you people should aware. Any explanation is required? Yes, gives yes dot length. Yes gives yes dot length itself is lambda expression. You should have clear clarity about this terminology, sir. Now, how you can able to write lambda expressions? Clear for you people, right? Not required to keep much explanation, right? Others, compulsory we require to write like this only. It is the method call. Here parentheses must be required. Here input arguments parentheses are optional. Input arguments parentheses are optional. For methods, parenthesis must be compulsory required. Okay, so how you can write the lambda expressions? It's a very clear for you people, right? Just wait for a minute. One minute. Just whether you are getting or not, let me cross check. And then I will go for next level. So how to write, you people are very much familiar with this. Now my question is, how you can call this? That part I will take care. How you can call that part we will take care. Don't worry. Just only 1 minute. Okay. So now just I'm showing my course. Here just observe that here have a look once lambda expressions and functional interfaces. Like so here there is one small quiz. Are you in a position to answer this or not? Just let me take. So no, lambda expressions and functional interfaces also must be required to answer this. Okay, don't worry. In the next somewhere I will show. Don't worry about that. So now here up to this, it is very clear for you how you can write lambda expressions. Any explanation is required? Now everyone in a position to familiar with how you can write lambda expressions, right? It's a very easy for you people, right? So now the next thing what I have to discuss for you. Once we write lambda expressions, how you can call that lambda expression? Sir, you wrote, but how you can call lambda expression? Lambda expression. What is the possibility, sir? Very simple. For that, we should go for one special word, fi. Are you getting? We should go for one special word, fi. What is the fi? Pankaj, what is the fi? Adarsh. Once I write a lambda expression, I know how you can able to write lambda expression, sir. Now, sir, one special word must be required. What that special word? Fi. Sir, what is that fi? Is functional interface. Are you getting what is this one, sir? Functional interface. Very important question for the interview room. What is functional interface? Are you getting what the meaning? What the meaning of functional interface? Sir, simple terminology. If an interface contain, sir, what is the functional interface? Sir, functional interface word may be new. Word may be new. It is the new word, but concept is the old one only. Remember that word is the new, but concept is the old one only. Have you ever heard about runnable? Have you ever heard about runnable interface? Oh, respond, man. Multi-threading. In the multi-threading, somewhere we heard about runnable. Correct, right? Next, comparable. In the collections, we may heard about comparable. Compare to. Next, and after that, action listener. Sir, if you go for UI concept, AWT strings, there are some event handling. Action listener concept. Compare to action listener. Callable. In the multi-threading, sir, callable, like runnable, callable, like. Do you know all these things already old concepts only? All these things are by default considered as functional interfaces. Then immediately you may ask, sir, what is the functional interface? You are giving directly example. What is the functional interface? Anyone, can you please tell what is the common point about all these things? If you give it runnable, comparable, compare to, action listener, callable, like what is the common point? Anyone, can you please confirm? Sir, this is the common point. This is the common point. Good. Remember that. What is the common point is all are interfaces. Anyway, all these things are interfaces. What the common point is, all these interfaces contain single method. Remember, runnable contains only one method, run method. Regarding comparable contain only one method, compare to. Next, comparator contain. Sir, comparator contain only one method. Comparator contain only one method. Compare, only one method. Compare. Action listener contain only one method. Action performed. Regarding action performed. Callable contain only one method, sir. Call. Callable contain only one method. Call. Like this. So do you know, sir, all these interfaces contain how many methods, right? Only one method, only one abstract method. Are getting single abstract method. Single abstract method interfaces are also known as functional interfaces. Remember that, sir. What is the functional interface? An interface which contains SAM. An interface which contains SAM. SAM is nothing but single abstract method. Such type of interfaces are called callable. Such type of interfaces are by default considered as functional interfaces. So what is the use of this functional interface? If you want to invoke a Lambda expression, compulsory functional interface must be required. Regarding I want to invoke Lambda expression, then compulsory functional interface must be required. So what is the job of a functional interface is to call Lambda expression, to invoke Lambda expression. For that purpose we can use. But anyway, sir, how you can do that? I will explain. First, aware what is the functional interface. The interface which contain single abstract method. Such type of interfaces are called functional interfaces. Any doubt? Any doubt? Are you able to understand, right? Sir, what is a functional interface? Okay, like just yeah. So in the next session, I will talk in detail much more examples. Just that's all. Just I'm stopping.